With growing sustainability awareness, regulations, consumer demands for eco-friendly products, resource efficiency cost savings, and recognition for long-term risks, businesses are motivated to prioritize environmental responsibility, and knowing life cycle assessment is a key skill to have when doing that. Leaders LCA is an online course that gives an introduction to sustainable decision-making. This course aims to equip leaders and managers with the necessary knowledge and skills to make sustainable decisions using life cycle thinking. We cover the basic concepts, methodologies, and applications of LCA, enabling you to communicate with LCA specialists and consultants and build more environmentally friendly businesses. After completing this course, you will have a fundamental understanding of life cycle thinking and its role in an organization. You will know the difference between the most important terminology, such as greenhouse gas protocol, EPDs, PEFs, and many more. You will know how LCA can be applied to real-life situations. You have the ability to identify environmental impact hotspots, and you will know how to get started with LCA. Next, let's look at the course structure. This course consists of 5 study modules. Each module consists of 1 or multiple videos, reading, and small exercises. In Module 1, you will get an introduction to life cycle assessment. Module 2 goes through the 4 standardized steps of an LCA. Module 3 dives into decisions and improvement actions based on an LCA. Module 4 looks at the communication and reporting side of an LCA. And Module 5, we will look at how to get started with doing LCAs. At the end of each module, you will do a test to measure what you learned. After completing the course, you will receive a certificate, which we will of course hope you will share proudly with your colleagues and your network on LinkedIn.